Welcome back to TechFlik. We have another build video, a 2000 plus Singapore dollars gaming build for a friend. We will go through the prices of each and every part and how the build is going to look like. So, shall we? For the CPU and motherboard combo, I went with the Intel Core i7-9700F and the MSI Z390 Tomahawk. My friend told me there will not be any overclocking and the 9700F is similar to the 9700 just without the integrated Intel graphics. I heard a lot about the MSI Tomahawk series and a great value and capable board. Thus, I paired the CPU with the MSI Z390 Tomahawk. Total cost of this combo, $678. For memory, I went with the KLEVV BOLT X DDR4 kit, so a total of 16GB at 3200MHz speed. 16GB is plenty for running today's AAA gaming titles, and this kit cost me $110. For storage, I went with the Samsung 860 EVO SSD. I have the same one on my first build and it's just excellent so far. 500GB capacity will help in storing the operating system, all the essential applications and games too. If my friend requires more than that, the Toshiba P300 RAID at 2TB capacity will help in that area. This costs $99 for the Samsung SSD and $71 on the Toshiba hard drive. Now, for the CPU cooler, I went with the DEEPCOOL Castle 240 RGB version 2, all-in-one CPU cooler. I'm relatively new to DEEPCOOL parts, but through reviews, this is a reliable cooler with its anti-leak technology. This costs $118. Now, for the main component in this gaming build, I went with the RTX 2070 Super M by ZOTAC. Great looking card, and in order for my friend to play most games at ultra-wide 1440p at 60 frames per second and medium to high settings, this is the perfect card that can deliver. This costs $710. To power all those components, I went with the Cooler Master MWE 650W power supply. Now this is a fully modular power supply, so it helps in cable management and keeping the build tidy. This power supply will probably last a long time, I'm counting on it. This cost me $118. Finally, to put all these components together at $100, we have the PHANTEKS P360X case, a relatively new model in the P300 series with improved airflow, tempered glass and good build quality, and I think one of the most beautiful RGB implementation on a case. So, if you guys didn't catch that, we're gonna summarize all the components for this gaming build and the cost of each of the components. After adding them all up, the exact cost of this build is $2,004. $4 more on that $2,000 mark, not too shabby. Now this is in Singapore dollars, so for my international viewers, 2004 Singapore dollars is equivalent to around 1,400 plus US dollars. With that out of the way, now it's time to sit back and let's build this gaming PC. That's it for this video. Overall, I think the gaming build looks amazing. I'm glad my friend loved it. If you like what you see, click the like button. If you love what you see, subscribe and leave a comment down below. I have more videos coming up, so look out for it. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. This is TechFlik signing out.